Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news is cargo ships collided at Marghera, Venice. Stepan Kocherga News March 29, 2021 3:03 p.m. Post views 1247. General cargo ship BASKOP on March 29 contacted by her starboard stern-berthed general cargo ship CILEENM at Marghera Port, Venice, Italy. BASKOP with cargo of soda was maneuvering to berth, while moored CILEENM was performing cargo operation. BASKOP stern was seriously damaged, see pic. BASKOP was berthed after accident. Cause of accident unknown, under investigation. General cargo ship CILEENM, EMO 8913772, DWT 5020, built 1991, flag Togo, manager International Marine Shipping, Egypt. General cargo ship BASKOP, EMO 9425289, DWT 6058, built 2007, flag Barbados.